Hey there, this is Lee of Lee Launches back with another video, and in this video I want to talk about a new project to sell digital downloads on Etsy. And I want to take you on this journey with me as I go through the process of creating products to sell on Etsy completely from scratch. So if you're new here, then my name is Lee and I like to create videos like this about creating digital products and digital assets to sell online. So make sure you hit subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I create a video like this. This video is going to be the first in a series of videos in creating digital assets to sell on Etsy. So without further delay, let's get straight into the video. So this is my store. I created this a few weeks ago, and as you can see, I only have 4 products on here. So far, I haven't made any sales. All I have done so far is just uploaded some products that I had without really doing any research or searching into what the demand is on Etsy. But my focus for this series and going forward for my store is that I want to sell digital downloads, the instant downloads, printables, that kind of thing. Those are the kind of products that I'm going to be selling on Etsy. I'm not going to be selling handmade crafts or things that need to be made or any of those kind of things. Everything I'm going to be creating in my store is going to be an instant download. But in this video, I want to focus on the 3 kind of downloads, types of downloads that I think there is a market for on Etsy. So this is based on a little bit of research that I've done in the last few weeks and what I am seeing other people are selling on Etsy. So the first instant download that I've discovered is printable wall art. So there is a market on Etsy for printable wall art. So that means that you simply buy the product and you print it yourself. And one of the products that I've found is this one. So this is a printable, it's an SVG file artwork. It's a kitchen conversion chart, cups and spoons. And the customer would simply buy this product and download it and print it themselves on their own printer. So I don't know how many sales exactly this product has had, but we can see on the 4th of May that they sold one of these measurement SVG kitchen wall art files. So that's the first product that I have uncovered. The next product that I have noticed is digital download SVG files. So similar to the last product was an actual piece of artwork in itself. It was a print, a poster. Digital download SVG files are different because these tend to be logos, emblems, graphics that people will use and print in products that they will be creating themselves, possibly t-shirts, notebooks, that kind of thing. So again, just by looking at the sales number, we can see that these sellers are selling these SVG files. If we click on this turtle file and go onto the page, we can see that they recently sold this item. They sold it on the 29th of June 2020. So the other type of product that I am going to be looking at and focusing on, and something I'm really interested in because I recently have been making these types of products myself, and that is Canva templates. And if you type into Etsy Canva templates, you can see again all the different types of products that Etsy is already telling us that people are searching for. So you can see just by scrolling down the page all the different types of Canva templates that are selling on Etsy. Everything from editable planner templates to lead magnet toolkits, Pinterest templates. There's so many different kinds of Canva templates. And I recently created a video about how to create Canva templates. So if you're interested in that, then click the link in the top left hand corner. That shows you exactly how to create your Canva template, and I will be doing more of that in future videos. So those are the types of instant downloads that I've already found are popular on Etsy. I'm going to need to research further in order to find exactly which products to sell, and I hope you will join me in this journey. So that's about it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to be focusing on exactly how to do Etsy research, so I hope you'll join me for that. Don't forget to click subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel already. Hit the bell notification so you get notified as soon as the next video is ready. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!